Alright, so this is how we find the point of intersection of two lines. So first is to make both of the equations into y equals mx plus b. So we'll start with the first equation. So we have 2x minus y equals 15. Alright, so we need to make it into the form y equals mx plus b. So we need to isolate y. So therefore, we have to transpose this. This will become negative y equals 15 minus 2x. Alright? Then you have to make sure that y is positive. So therefore, multiply everything by negative. This will be y equals negative 15 plus 2x. Alright? Also, we can write it also as y equals 2x minus 15. So this is our first step. Next step is we make the other equation into the same form, y equals mx plus b. So we have 5x plus 3y equals 21. So transpose 5x. So you'll have 3y equals negative 5x plus 21. Isolate y. So divide all of the terms by 3. By that, you will have y equals negative 5 over 3x plus 7. Next step is to make both of these equation. We have to equate this two equations. So we have reflective property, right? Reflective property means any number is equal to itself. So y equals y. So let's take the first value of y here. We have 2x minus 15 equals negative 5 over 3 x plus 7. So we will solve first for the value of x. So transpose so that we will have to combine like terms. So 2x plus 5 over 3x equals 15 plus 7. So when you transpose it, it changes the sign. So that we will not deal with fractions, we will multiply everything by the LCD. So we have this is over 1, everything is over 1 except this. So we will multiply all of the terms by 3. So 2x times 3 is 6x. 5x times 3 divided by 3 is 5x. So we will cancel out the 3 in the bottom. Then 3 times 15 is 45. Then 3 times 7 is 21. Alright, so we will have 11x equals 45 plus 21 is 66. And then divide both sides by 11. So therefore, our x is already equal to 6. Right now, we still have to find the value of y. So how do we find the value of y? We will substitute the value that we found for x to any of this equation. So I will pick the first equation. So we have 2x minus y equals 15. Therefore, we have substitute the value of x. 2 times 6 minus y equals 15. So this will become 12 minus y equals 15. Negative y equals transpose 12. It will become negative 12 plus 15. So therefore, negative y equals 3. All right, so as what I said, negative 12 plus 15 is 3. We need to make y positive, so multiply all sides by negative. So y, therefore, is equal to negative 3. So therefore, the point of intersection is 6 comma negative 3. Okay, so how do we defend this answer? We can substitute both values. We can substitute 6 comma negative 3 to both equations. And you can check whether you satisfy both of the equation. So let's see. Let us try to check. Okay, so check whether this is correct. So we'll have 2 times. Okay, so let's have 2 times 6. 2 times 6 minus negative 3 is equal to 15. So we'll have 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So 15 is equal to 15. So we have proven using the first equation that our answer is correct. You can also prove it using the other equation. So that's how we find the point of intersection